Welcome. In this video, we'll provide you through the steps to find Instagram privacy policies to exercise your right to object. But first, let's talk briefly about what Meta does with AI and privacy. Meta is the company that owns Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp. It uses generative AI. It's a smart technology that helps create things like pictures and text. However, Meta has now changed their privacy policies and how your data is going to be used for their own purposes. And you will only have until June the 26th of 2004 to object to these rulings. So let's get straight into it. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Then, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Now tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner to open the menu. From the menu, select all the way down the About page. Once you click on the About page, it will open up and say Privacy Policies. Click on the Privacy Policies. Here you can read through the privacy policies to exercise your right to object. Click on Right to Object. Once you do that, fill in your country and where you're from and your email and write down in the box that you do not consent. Then you press submit. After a few moments, you will receive an email with a code. You must copy that code in order to fulfill this complete process. And after that, you've done that, you will receive a confirmation from Instagram that your request has been successful. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech issues and tips. Thanks for watching.